PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a leading provider of HVAC services and operates as a commercial HVAC contractor in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We install and repair heating and cooling systems of all major brands, and can solve any problem you may have. Call our commercial HVAC contractor today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the service life for commercial HVAC? A commercial HVAC system will typically last between 10 and 15 years. This means that by adhering to best practices and collaborating with maintenance and efficiency experts, you can increase total system life by 33%. Although there are numerous factors that influence longevity, they can all be optimized. Why is commercial HVAC maintenance important? Commercial HVAC maintenance plans assist facility managers in extending the life of their HVAC building equipment and lowering operating costs in terms of both frequency of repairs and energy savings. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC contractor have served Allentown, Brenningsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown, Zionsville, East Greenville, Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC contractor service office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.